Hi, welcome to Ignite World, a reality series titled Step by Step. Friend, there is nothing impossible to achieve, but they will look unachievable without goal. You see, there is nothing impossible to attain in life, but they will remain unattainable. They will look unattainable without goal. There is nothing, impossible to acquire, but they will look impossible without goal. Friend, you see, the future we ever arrive at require some dimensions of, a goal getting. If you have to arrive at a future that you ever desire, it will have some step-by-step approach to follow. Let's try to look at these two step-by-step approach in attaining the future you ever desire. Step-by-step approach in attaining the future we ever love to see or arrive at. Number one, you must start small and you must start now. You must start small and you must start now. You can't win everything at a time. That is why you must start now, walking into the future. You can get everything at a time, and that is why you must start now, pushing into the future. You see, you can't attain everything at a time, and that is why you must start now, pushing into the future. You can't take everything at a time. You must start now and push what you can take into the future. So it's a gradual or step-by-step approach. You must start small. I started small, growing my future. I started as a cleaner in a university environment. I was growing my world with a goal. And before you know, I became a professor. You must start small and you must start now. I would have not arrived there if I didn't start small. That is why you must, as a point of reference, start now, start small with what you have. The great empire people have ever built is because they start small and they start now. Number two, you must learn and unlearn. You must learn and unlearn. 80% of people that arrive at their goal and the future they've ever desired is because they keep learning and they keep unlearning. They keep learning over time. They learn every day. They learn every time. They learn from themselves. They learn from people ahead of them. They learn from people beyond them. They master the act of what they are doing. That is what they do over time. So you see, you must learn, unlearn, and still learn. When you've learned, you know that what you have learned has expired and you want to learn more. And that is why you will be adding to the bank of your knowledge, learning everything across your path. Ladies and gentlemen, someone once asked me at the time, how did I arrive at this future on time? I told him, my secret is in what I learn from people. My secret is in what I learn from people. My secret is in what I learn from people ahead of me. Therefore, the two ways to arrive to the future you ever desire is one, start small and start now. Number two, what you need to do is to learn and unlearn over time. Learn and unlearn over time. And before you know, you realize that whatever others are dying to get, you are having it in your hands. Welcome to your world and see you next time. Thank you.
Once in life we live, we are grooming destiny. It's Ignite World today. The hope of the future we see. We are grooming